This is kind of bittersweet for me because this is the last time I'm going to be in this space in my storage shed. My 8 years of my life in here, and I'm walking away from it again to embark on a journey, a road trip across the country to California by myself. With just this stuff on my cart, and I'm putting it in my car, and I don't know how to feel. I have my daughter with me in my cart, so let's go fill up my car. Cheers and good morning, you guys. I have my coffee. I hope you have yours too. It is October 6th. The last time I made a video, I believe it was maybe the 2nd. So I've been working up the courage to go on this journey, and I'm taking you guys along with me. The last couple weeks, I have been so grateful to be able to be staying in this amazing trailer. It's been nice and warm. And my friends Andrea and Matt, thank you guys so much for taking me into your home and making me feel like your family. And I'm gonna cry, but just know that I love you guys and thank you so much. It's not forever, but it's for now. So today I'm going to pack up. I have everything ready to go. I gotta pack up my car, and we're heading to California today. It is 11:07. And I am all packed and ready to hit the road. The car is loaded. Everything's in. So we'll see you in, I think Iowa's the first step. Yeah. It's 11:15-ish. I am currently in Wisconsin, driving down to Illinois, and I'm on the road. I have mixed feelings. It is the hardest thing to say goodbye to people, but again, it's not forever. So Andrea, I love you. To take a moment and collect myself, because goodbyes are bittersweet. And I was so grateful to be able to stay with such loving people, and they took care of me, and the love that you guys gave me is just amazing. And now I get to start my new journey and go out to California and stay with Amanda and Sam. So I'm so grateful for this opportunity, and I have so many different feelings right now, but I'm excited, I'm scared, I'm happy, thrilled, humbled, overjoyed, and I'm gonna spend the next 8 hours driving. So I'm taking you guys along with me so we can stop in each state. I'm hoping I see some cool things, and maybe not. Like right now we're in Wisconsin, Illinois, and Iowa are probably going to be pretty boring, because in my head I feel like there's going to be all cornfields, but we'll see. We just the Illinois state line.
Welcome to Illinois.
There you go. Google, come to Illinois. I'll try to be better at catching the states I go into, but we are officially in Illinois. I am moving and grooving, and I'm gonna throw on the cruise control, put on some favorite music. Here you go, right here. Illinois. I am held. I'm not alone. I'm an hour into driving. I don't know how many hours I have left, but I'm so excited. I just conquered one of my biggest fears, getting on a big highway. I didn't have anxiety. I was actually speeding, just keeping up with traffic. It wasn't too bad. I was in my own lane. It is now, what time is it? 12:15. I found a Love's, so I'm going to stop and take a potty break and stretch my legs, and then I'm gonna see how far I can get. I am currently in Rockford, Illinois, so yeah. In with you guys, it's about 2:24. I just entered Iowa. Let me tell you, there ain't nothing but road, a hope, a wish, and a prayer. Beautiful scenery, you guys. Hello, Iowa. So we are officially in Iowa. It is windy. It's cold. Look. Farm country. We're still driving through Iowa. I stopped to get some gas at Love's, Iowa. Thank you. Your gas is only $3.65. I got some Arby's. I got a twofer. We got a 2 for $7 Euro sandwich. And if you guys didn't already see, I tried to video record it, but obviously I'm a little busy right now. We just passed the world's largest truck stop, like in the entire country of the U.S. That is the biggest truck stop in the world in Iowa.
Tell me you're in Iowa in the middle of nowhere without telling me you're in Iowa in the middle of nowhere. Look at the windmill.
Welcome to the middle of nowhere.
To the left, to the right.
We are in the middle of nowhere, but you guys, I'm enjoying it. Look at how cool. Let's appreciate Iowa. Our next stop is Missouri, I think. Oh, friends. So we're still in Iowa. I'm stopping again. You probably can't see my face. That's okay. I want to share. We're going on Sunset. We're going on. The sun is coming down. So I only got a couple more hours left to cruise. Cruising was made for us. I love it when we're cruising together. You're welcome. So we are here, and then we're gonna take Highway 80, and then we're gonna go all the way down 35 and hit the lovely state of Missouri. Y'all, if this ain't perfect, I don't know what is. I get to watch this whole thing go down on this road. What an experience. Do you see that sun? And then it's all, oh my God, like, yay! Isn't it gorgeous? Look at that big old sun. Is it Mr. Sandman? No, where's the song? I gotta think of a song about sun. Y'all, look at that. Just gorgeous. I get to watch it go all the way down on this road. I'm so humbled. I'm so grateful. I'm so excited. Day 1 for the books, ladies and gentlemen. So in about, I don't know how many miles, I think it was, last time I looked, it was like 60 something. I will be heading down to Missouri. I'm only gonna drive until it gets dark and I can't see anymore because I don't like driving at night. I don't enjoy it. It gives me anxiety and I get scared. So I'm gonna take a little siesta and then be back on the road tomorrow. So day 1 for the books. Thank you, Illinois. Thank you, Wisconsin. Thank you, Iowa. Hello, Missouri. Yeah, I'm probably going to show you guys more of the sunset later as it goes down. So, and then I'll probably call it. It's gorgeous. Like, you guys, come on. Are you kidding me right now? I get to watch that whole thing fall over Iowa. Like, I don't know. I guess I'm just obsessed with sunsets. And ooh, look at this glow and this highlight right here on my face. Show you guys something. These are the bathroom stalls. So when you go potty, my head is literally over them. Iowa, what are you doing? We are in Missouri, y'all. I gotta show you the sign outside. It's dark. You probably can't see me. And that is okay. How many states did I drive through today? Illinois, Iowa, and now I hit Missouri. Missouri welcomes me. Okay, let's hop back in the car. So here I am, bedtime, as usual. Never disclosing because my life is such a mystery and a secret. I have my pillow, I have my blankie, and it's time. It's time for bed. I hope you and guys enjoyed going through Illinois, Iowa, well, a little bit of Wisconsin, but with me today. Day 1 for the books. I did fucking amazing things. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, tomorrow's another day. Hello, Missouri. We have Missouri and not Arkansas, I'm sorry, Kansas, and possibly New Mexico to conquer tomorrow. So day 2. Hopefully I'll be up bright and early and share more of my journey with you guys. And maybe day 3. Well, day 3 will be Arizona. I'm going to spend a lot of time there. I'm not even going to lie, but thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. So, night!